Come test drive the 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, running boards, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.